దానికే మన మేడం మేడం అదే డిస్కషన్ ఒక ఐడియా ఉండాలి నేను దానికోసం
అక్కడ కొంచెం తగ్గిపోయింది అక్కడ ఏరియా అంతా ఇది వచ్చి చెప్పాలి
make it a plain and
red side project
we have 3 mandals nearby. We have air connectivity also near Vijayawada
and
Donakonda
35 kilometers.
Yeah, there is one more airport. Donakonda.
Where is standing now? Standing now. Yes. It's almost close to 100 acres. It's up and down. That's why he's asking.
From here,
within the land, what is upside and downside?
from the top to the bottom.
Exactly. I understand.
For housing.
Only to this side we have this housing, and all the surrounding is we have reserve forest.
Right. Okay.
Well,
all
this
that
part
is
is
forest.
Yes.
Forest.
Which is very nearby. And nearby also we have tanks, water tanks. From there also we can
summer storage tanks.
In the tree so much, keep heavy rain coming,
No, this not. They already have existed canals.
canals.
Yes, they can divert it.
marked in blue color. This is the streams, water.
Nearby, you can divert it automatically.
Yeah, so whatever feeds this would have to come down and take it off the hill and
Up and down, clearing.
500. The width is 500 meters. 1,000 meters. 1,000 meters. 1,000 meters.
a kilometer.
1 kilometer.
Okay, yeah, that's about right.
The border of
Border, right?
Down there, I think. Up to Black.
Over there, right?
Yes.
Yeah, we can see. Yeah.
లాస్ట్ బట్ వన్ అక్కడ
ముందుకెళ్ళి వాయిస్